Why most people fail with heat press businesses. Stop scrolling. This small machine has destroyed more clothing businesses than it has ever made successful. And the shocking part, the machine works perfectly. It's not broken. It's not fake. It does exactly what it was designed to do. The real problem is what nobody tells you before you buy it. Every week, thousands of people around the world buy a heat press machine. They are promised a simple story. Start a clothing brand from home. Low investment, no factory, no employees. High profit. They imagine printing a few t-shirts, posting them online, and watching orders come in. But a few months later, the machine is still clean. The designs didn't sell, and the business is already dead. So what actually went wrong? Here's the first truth most videos avoid. A heat press machine does not create a business. It creates inventory. And inventory without demand is not a business. It's just cotton taking space in your room. Most beginners think the business is printing. It's not. Printing is easy, selling is hard. Anyone can learn how to press a design in one afternoon. But convincing a stranger to pay money for that design takes skill. When you enter this business, you are not competing with beginners. You are competing with established brands, online stores, print-on-demand platforms, influencers with audiences, and thousands of people doing the same thing as you. If your design looks average, you don't lose slowly. You disappear instantly. The second big reason people fail is copying. Most beginners copy what already exists. Same fonts, same slogans, same trends. They think copying reduces risk. In reality, it guarantees failure. People don't pay for copies. They pay for identity, emotion, belonging. A t-shirt is not fabric. It's a message. If your shirt doesn't represent something specific, it represents nothing. The third reason is cost blindness. On paper, this business looks cheap, but in reality, costs add up fast. Blank shirts, vinyl or transfer paper, electricity, failed prints, packaging, ads, shipping, returns. Many people sell t-shirts but never calculate real profit. If you sell 10 shirts, feel busy, and still make no money, you don't have a business. You have a hobby that consumes your time. Now let's talk about the biggest killer. People quit too early. The first month is slow. The second month feels worse. Designs fail. Ads don't work. Sales are inconsistent. Instead of learning, people quit. They blame the machine. They blame the market. They blame bad luck. But the truth is simple. They never stayed long enough to understand what works. Now listen carefully. This machine can make money, but only under very specific conditions. It works when you focus on a niche. Not everyone. One group, one identity, one clear message. It works when you sell a story, not a product. When you test designs before printing in bulk. When you build demand before touching the machine. This is not fast money. This is structured, boring, real work. And that's exactly why most people fail. So let me be very clear. Do not buy a heat press machine if you want shortcuts. Do not buy it if you hate marketing. Do not buy it if you plan to copy designs. This machine will punish you. But if you are patient, if you are willing to learn sales and branding, if you understand people more than machines, then this small machine can be a real starting point. This channel does not sell motivation, it shows reality. Because the fastest way to lose money is believing the wrong video. If this breakdown saved you time or money, consider subscribing. No hype, no shortcuts, just truth.